A poem entitled Mother Nature. The playfulness of water dances in her soul. Her eyes transfix everything, gold rings around her toes. She prances on the warmth of May and rallies in a sunset star, with music playing in her womb, sweet children in her sigh. She runs her fingers over flowers, they bow at her command. She sniffs the mist, a morning hour, she's all that's gentle in the land. Carbonated light explores her hair, rejuvenation in her smile. In all that's right, the moments shared, grace us with all of love. Run wild.